Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOok 846, and in this video I will show you if this laptop has a camera. So the quick answer is yes, the camera is located right above your display in the middle. It has a manual security shutter. To open your camera, move it to the left, and to close it, move it to the right. It has two integrated microphones and no infrared scanners, so it cannot be used for facial recognition, and it's a pretty basic HD camera. So that's basically the answer to this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.